Good morning, friends. You are most welcome to Think Eye channel. Today we are discussing the art and culture. We are discussing a question paper with the solution. We are covering 10 topics. First is Indian architecture, sculpture, and pottery. Second is Indian paintings. Third is Indian music. Fourth is Indian dance forms. Fifth is languages in India. Sixth is religious and religions in India. Seventh is Indian literature. Eighth is School of Philosophy. Ninth is calendars in India. 10th is martial arts in India. Now we are going to initiate the topic. First, our first question and first topic is Indian architecture, sculpture and pottery. First question, consider the following pairs: famous place and region. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? You have to choose correctly matched one. First is Bodh Gaya, Baghelkhand. Second is Khajuraho, Bundelkhand. Third is Shirdi, Vidarbha. Fourth is Nasik, Malwa. Fifth is Tirupati, Rayalaseema. Your options are A 1, 2 and 4, B 2, 3, 4 and 5, C 2 and 5, D 1, 3, 4 and 5. I am waiting for 10 seconds. You have to choose your answer first. Right answer is C. Khajuraho, Bundelkhand and Tirupati, Rayalaseema. 2 and 5. Now we are going to discuss the answers. Its explanation: Bodh Gaya is Indo-Gangetic Plain and Shirdi is at Marathwada, Nasik is at Marathwada. Educational objective is famous cultural places and their location. Now we are moving towards the second question. What is the common to the two historical places known as Ajanta and Mahabalipuram? First, both were built in the same period. Second, both belong to the same religious denomination. Third, both have rock cut monuments. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only. Option B 3 only. Option C 1 and 3 only. Option D none of the statement is correct. I am waiting for 10 seconds. Now your option is B 3 only. Both have rock cut monuments, Ajanta and Mahabalipuram. Now we are moving towards the answer explanation. Ajanta. The Ajanta caves are 30 approximately rock cut Buddhist cave monuments which date from the 2nd century BC to about 480 CE in Aurangabad district of Maharashtra state of India. The caves include paintings and rock cut sculptures describing as the among the finest surviving examples of ancient Indian art, particularly expressive paintings that present emotions through gesture, pose, and forms. Second is Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram, also known as Mahabalipuram or Mahabalipuram, it is a town in Chengalpattu district in the southern East Indian state of Tamil Nadu. Best known for the UNESCO World Heritage Site of 7th and 8th century Hindu group of monuments at Mamallapuram. The site has 40 ancient monuments and Hindu temples, including descendant of the Ganges or Arjuna's penance, one of the largest open-air rock relief in the world. The cave temple and monolithic temples were built during the Pallava period. We can find pagodas at there also. Last time at Mamallapuram, Xi Jinping and Prime Minister Modi visited at there after the Wuhan visit. Educational objective, prominent culture sites. Now we are moving towards the third question. The arrival of Babur into India led to the first is introduction of gunpowder in the subcontinent. Second is introduction of the arc and dome in the region's architecture. Third is establishment of Timurid dynasty in the region. Timurid, Timurid dynasty in the region. Select the correct answer using the code given below. Option A 1 and 2 only, option B 3 only, option C 1 and 3 only, option D 1, 2 and 3. I am waiting for 10 seconds. Your answer is answer B 3 only. Establishment of Timurid dynasty in the region. The arrival of Babur into India led to the establishment of Timurid dynasty in the region. Now we are moving toward the explanation part. Contrary to popular idea that it was Babur, founder of the Mughal Empire, who introduced gunpowder to India, gunpowder and gunpowder weaponry were known to Indians long before. As earlier as the 13th century, Amir Khusro described the uses of rockets by the Delhi Sultanate. Similar devices are described as having been common among Rajputs, such as those at Ranthambore, whose siege was described by contemporary Muslim commentators in detail. By the late 14th century, the Bahmani Sultanate and the Vijayanagar Empire were maintaining rockets and hand cannon squadrons in their respective militaries. Indo-Islamic architecture begins with the Ghurid occupation, or we can say Gauri or Ghurid occupation of India at the close of 12th century AD. And arc and domes are important architecture and characteristics of Indo-Islamic architecture. Indo-Islamic architecture begins with the Ghurid or Gauri occupation of India at the close of 12th century AD, and arc and domes are important characteristics of Indo-Islamic architecture. Timurid dynasty moves on the conquer India under the leadership of Jahiruddin Muhammad Babur in 1526 CE and established the Timurid dynasty of India. Educational objective, establishment of Mughal Empire. Now we are moving towards the fourth question. With reference to the art and archaeological history of India, which one among the following was made earliest? A is Lingaraja temple at Bhubaneswar. B is rock cut elephant at Dhauli. C is rock cut monuments at Mahabalipuram. D is Varaha image at Udayagiri. I am waiting for 10 seconds. You have to choose your answer. Your answer is B. Rock cut elephant at Dhauli. Now we are going to the explanation part. Lingaraja temple at Bhubaneswar, 11th century CE. Rock cut elephant at Dhauli around 250 BCE. Rock cut monuments at Mahabalipuram 7 to 8th century CE. Varaha image at Udaygiri 250 to 410 CE during Gupta period. Educational objective is architecture during ancient India. Now we are moving towards the fifth question. Consider the following pairs, places of pilgrimage and location. First is Sri Salem, Nallamalai Hills. Second is Omkareshwar, Satmala Hills. Third is Pushkar, Mahadev Hills. Which of the following pairs are correctly matched? A. 1 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. I am waiting for 10 seconds. Your right answer is option A, 1 only. Sri Shailam Nallamalla Hills. Now we are going towards the explanation part. Omkareshwar, Mandhata Hills, Pushkar, Aravali Hills. Places of pilgrimage in India, that is educational objective. Now we are moving towards the next question. Question number 6. With reference to the Buddhist history, tradition and culture in India, which of the following pairs are correctly matched? First is famous shrine and second is location. Our first option is Tabo Monastery and Temple Complex. Location Spiti Valley. Second, Lahotsava Lakhang Temple, Hotsava Lakhan Temple, Nako. Location Jaskar Valley. Third is Alchi Temple Complex. Location Ladakh. A is 1 only, B is 2, 3 only, C is 1, 3 only, D is all of these. Right option is option C, 1 and 3. Tabo Monastery and Temple Complex, Spiti Valley location, and Alchi Temple Complex, Ladakh. Now we are moving toward the explanation part. Lahotsava Lakhang Nako is in Himachal Pradesh. Janskar Valley is in Jammu and Kashmir. Therefore, second pair is wrong. Educational object or educational objective, famous Buddhist shrines. Thank you very much for today.